Hello there guys, it's JK with Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this Triumph Street Triple 765 RS. So here it is, 2017 67 plate, 8,798 miles. And as you see, lovely looking bike. Really popular these at the minute this year. We can't seem to get enough of them. It is the RS as well. So with that, Ohlins rear suspension, obviously Brembo monobloc brakes, colour TFT dash. This particular one has got the fly screen, it's got the rear seat cowl, the tail tidy. Obviously adjustable power modes on there that you can scroll through. We've got the factory fitted heated grips, the rad guard, engine covers, res caps, absolutely everything. If you're interested though, get yourself down, give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.